Okay, here's the 1988 HJ61 Toyota Land Cruiser Turbo Diesel. It's on eBay right now. It's an okay shape, but there's some issue. For example, a little bit of rust right there on the fender, and maybe right here and right here, but it's just the body only, and then surprisingly it doesn't have that much rust on bottom. Anyway, let me go through everything. This is a rock panel, and pretty good. Oh, the bottom of the door is also no rust. Okay, rear fender well and the rock panel, no rust. And the inside of the fender well, really clean, no rust. Go over back of the inner fender and frame, you can see no rust. And surprisingly, the bottom of the rear fender is really no rust, completely no rust, and it's a good shape. Usually this right here is really rusty, but it's not. And the frame is beautiful, clean. Bottom of the tailgate, no rust, really clean. And floor, the rear floor is really no rust, and it's clean. You can see, very dry and clean. Anyway, oh, and the bottom of the tailgate also no rust. But somehow rust is on the top, and then they have been worked on. Right now it's no rust, but it was a rust, I guess, on a roof and fender. And overall it's not a bad shape, clean, but it had the rust. Okay, what about this side? No rust. The rocker panel on the left side, no rust. Inner fender, rear, no rust, and it's clean. And the frame is also clean. And the bottom of the rear fender, no rust. And the bottom of the frame, it's rear, clean and solid. This side, right side rear frame, clean, no rust. And what else? Oh, the interior is so-so. The rear seat, the split bench seat, and it's no tear. There's some little rips on the rear door. Front door had some like a sun damage that cracked and open. And then driver's seat has a Recaro, but it's got worn out seat bottom and a worn out back. But the side bolster looks okay. And then the passenger seat is like that. and it's got 332,000 kilometers, which is about 200,000 miles. Runs good. Oh, it's got the CD player, and it's on automatic transmission. I can start the engine right now. Glow plug to glow up, so you can wait a little and then starts right. And I just runs good, and no smoke. No smoke. And 밑에 계실 power window, power door lock, power mirror. That's about it. Oh, the sunroof has some of the rust. Right here you can see. It's got a little rust. That's also stated in the eBay. Oh, let me open the engine compartment. Oh shit. Engine compartment. Okay. It's got a turbo. It's kind of dirty, but it's okay. I mean, I can wash it or maybe clean it with the engine cleaner detailed, maybe. Pretty complete, nothing missing, and then everything should be in working order. And it's got the VIN number plate. There's also a VIN number on front right inside of the inner fender frame. I don't know if you could see, but it's this is the VIN number here, and it's matching. And then inside of this is just it's not a rust, it's just a dirty. But inner fender has no rust hole. Oh, just a little bit maybe here, but it's clean. And maybe the front shackle is the front shackle brackets, maybe it's a little bit of rusty. That's, I think it's the typical for the Land Cruiser too. Rusty a little bit, but it's okay. It's still in usable shape. The frame for the left. Okay, and then I couldn't. It's I don't know if you can see the floorboard. No rust, no hole, and underneath is not rusty at all. I mean, it's got typical surface rust maybe, but it's no rust. Let's go to the other side. Inner fender and a frame. This is the rear hanger for the front leaf spring, and then a frame, shock absorber, suspension, and then a front shackle, leaf spring, and then once again the front shackles brackets might be a little rusty. It's a typical spot, but it's still usable, and it's not like a rotten out or anything. And inside clean. It's got some kind of a paint is on undercarriage paint to protect the rust or maybe severe weather maybe. So it's got some kind of a protective coat of paint all over. And frame is looking good. And let me see. I don't know if you can see, but it's from front towards the front leaf ring suspension to, I'm gonna go back in the bottom of the car and towards the rear suspension and the frame. No rust, and then a clean car. So surprisingly, the bottom of the car is really clean, and inner fender, fender inside is pretty good shape. The only thing is that, and maybe the roof, and I don't like the fender. It's got worked on, and then it's got little wavy body work. You could maybe obtain a aftermarket fender maybe, or maybe used fender, and then maybe spray on a same color if you want to. That's about it. So this is the 1988 Land Cruiser, but it's on eBay. Thank you.